Welcome to At Home with Music. I'm Leon Olguin. And I should mention that this video is part of a series called From Ears to Fingers Advanced. If you went through my Music Basics series, you learned how to form chords on the keyboard and how to play songs using chords and playing the melody. And then in the From Ears to Fingers series, parts 1 and 2, you learned the basics of how to play by ear. And we were mainly dealing with regular triad chords. And I had a video recently where I showed you how to find 36 basic chords starting from one basic chord. You learned how to find major chords, minor chords, and seventh chords. Started with one kind of seventh chord, and then in another video, which is part of this series of advanced playing by ear videos, you learned how to find all different types of seventh chords, 8 different kinds of seventh chords. And what we're going to do here is we're going to look at one other type of chord that actually is not as difficult to deal with as seventh chords, because there's only 2 types of this particular chord, 2 chord qualities. These are called sixth chords. Now, just as the seventh chord contained the interval of a seventh, it might have been a minor seventh or a major seventh. A sixth chord contains the interval of a sixth. So we start with the triad, and I'm starting here on C just to make things easy. We start with the C major triad, and then we add the sixth note of the C major scale. And so we end up with a C6, a sixth chord. So this is C major sixth, and if you use a chord symbol to designate this chord, it's just written out as C6. However, there is another type of sixth chord, and that is the minor sixth chord. We change the major triad at the root of this chord, at the bottom of the chord, we change it to a minor chord and add the sixth. So that is C minor 6. And that would be written out as a C with a little m and then the 6 afterwards. So you have major sixth, and then you have minor sixth. And that's basically the 2 types of sixth chords that you're going to find as you're playing popular songs. There's a couple of very popular songs, actually one extremely well-known standard that everybody plays, and it's the song Ain't She Sweet. And it actually starts by using it starts on a sixth chord, and then it goes to 2 seventh chords. Does that sound familiar to anybody? And so it's actually starting on C6, and then it goes to A flat 7, 7th chord. And then it goes down a half a step to G7. So it goes C6, A flat 7, G7. So there's one of the most famous uses of a sixth chord. It just has kind of a nice happy sound. And of course, you can build sixth chords on every note of the scale. And minor sixth chords. And so on. I'll let you figure that one out for yourself. And just for fun, I want to play you the very end of an Elton John song that ends, unusually actually, on a C6 chord. So just hit the space bar here. This is a song called Grimsby. There's your C6. And it comes up again. Hear it? So there's another chord for you to have some fun with. the 6th chord. So thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed to At Home with Music, I encourage you to do so. It helps the channel a lot. I appreciate all of you who have subscribed in the past month or so, and I look forward to talking to you in the next one. Oh, also, if you want to support my work, you can go to my Patreon page. We have some extra added attractions for those of you who decide to support the channel in that way. I'll talk to you in the next one.